if you have some kind of technical expertise all in here, or you are teaching, mentoring, or consulting with valuable knowledge, deep insights, and want to position yourself as an authority in your expertise area, be an influencer in your industry, it's time to digitalize everything that is in here, create stunning, invaluable, priceless e-products that will stay forever on this planet as your legacy. Hi, I'm Vandana. I'm a serial entrepreneur, author, and speaker. I would like to introduce my unique business model that empowers you to convert your knowledge into lucrative profit-making business with no employees, no office, no rentals, no deposit, just you, your laptop, and a great internet connection. This was my personal challenge, and in past few years, I ended up opening the Pandora's box, the whole gamut of digital world, digital jargons, and not only had to shell out money, I ended up having time-consuming learning curve, and later realized there was no need for me to learn or sign up for so many digital tools and programs, and some of these tools had recurring monthly fee. So I decided to address this problem for others. I created an amazingly simple, straightforward, structured, step-by-step, actionable solution, cutting down all the frills and fancies so that you can create your first digital course in just 5 days without getting technically overwhelmed. Understand the end-to-end process and then apply this entire process to create more courses without having the need to sign up for additional courses or programs. So instead, you can focus on tangible outcomes for yourself in short time. I call this new ways of doing business as the golden age business model, which has 3 stages. Digitize or digitalize, which is converting whatever you have in here into e-products, online courses or programs. Monetize. Once you have digitized, you can monetize it by generating some 10 to 100 number of sales. This stage empowers you to understand your customer better and then skill yourself further so that you will be able to create your best course. And then comes the 3rd stage, which is marketing, which is about scaling your best course, right? So this unique business model will lead you towards your true freedom. So my session will empower you to be truly self-sufficient, be independent, generate some funds, have some cash flow so that you can take out your costs first and then reinvest back to scale and convert your brand into a business, into a sustainable business that runs in autopilot mode. Is that what you would like to do? So let's co-create your digital assets, your first online course, and build your knowledge business. If this resonates with you, I invite you to connect with me. Click on the link below, sign up, and I will see you soon. Take care.